Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and safety. This saves time and prevents trouble. Once done, set up the detector and coil, then do a quick ground balance to reduce false signals. You should wear headphones to hear subtle tones. They reveal deep targets. Make sure sensitivity sits around 70 to 85%. Higher invites noise, lower misses targets. Finally, map a small grid and choose a line to sweep first. Now you are actively searching. You proceed by working methodically. Sweep in steady, overlapping arcs and keep the coil height steady, about 1 to 2 inches from the ground, to keep signals consistent. Once you get a repeatable tone, slow down and repeat the sweep from a different angle so you understand the signal behavior. Then flag the spot, use a pinpointer to narrow the target, and open a small test hole rather than a trench. This preserves context and speeds recovery. You finish each find by careful recovery. Loosen soil around the pinpointed area, extract the item, then backfill and tamp the hole to leave no trace. Once recovered, document with photos, a short note, and GPS coordinates. This helps later ID improvements. If signals become erratic, troubleshoot. Inspect the coil and cable, rerun ground balance, reduce sensitivity, or change discrimination modes. These steps correct most issues and get you back to productive detecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.